What else do you have to do? You gotta just start investing. Welcome to the $1 Million Challenge. So in today's video, I would like to introduce you to car number 6, officially car number 6 on Turo. This used to be my daily driver, but now I have officially sold it to my business, and this will be my official car number 6 for Turo. All right, so this is a 2019 Ford Focus. All right, I have one of this. I have a 2020 Ford Focus already, and this is the 2019 version. The car has not been doing too bad on Turo. Now this is a bigger car. It's more like goes that luxury range for Ford. Alright, so this car, I have one version of this before. Like I said, it's 2020, and I have every belief that these cars will do very well on the Turo platform. So let me go ahead and show you pretty much everything with the car. Tires is good. You guys see those nice big grip. Tires is good. Let me show you the inside of the car. Awesome, spacious car. Very, very spacious. Yeah, here to show you guys things. You know, car is in immaculate condition. So everything is looking super awesome. Seatbelt works, everything works. This car has been an excellent car, and it's gonna be even more of a great car for my awesome guests that patronize me. You know, very awesome guests, very spacious. So look at the space here, big trunk space. Inside of the car, see what's going on. Very, very awesome car. Get to normal view here. Yeah, so this car will do really well because I have an experience with this car. I've had a 2020 on the platform and it did great. So I don't have any doubt in my mind that this car will do awesome on the platform. So yeah, meets car number 6, official car number 6 for Turo.